Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated cars of 2025, the Ferrari Purosangue. This is Ferrari's first ever SUV, and it's nothing short of spectacular. Let's explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing to see if it lives up to the Ferrari name. Starting with the exterior, the Purosangue is a perfect blend of SUV practicality and Ferrari's signature styling. It features a sleek and aerodynamic silhouette, with muscular lines that hint at its performance capabilities. The front fascia is dominated by sharp LED headlights and a bold grille that proudly displays the Ferrari emblem. The sculpted hood and wide stance give it a commanding presence on the road, while the rear showcases quad exhausts and a sporty diffuser. The Purosangue sits on stunning 22-inch alloy wheels up front and 23-inch wheels at the rear, enhancing its aggressive yet luxurious appearance. Ferrari's attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour. Step inside, and the interior is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. The cabin combines high-quality materials like leather, carbon fiber, and Alcantara with cutting-edge features. The driver's cockpit is centered around a 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster and a heads-up display, keeping all vital information within easy reach. The center console is minimalist, with touch-sensitive controls and a rotary dial for drive modes. For passengers, there's a separate 10.2-inch display, adding a touch of exclusivity. Unlike traditional SUVs, the Purosangue has 4 individual seats, all offering exceptional comfort and support. Ambient lighting, a premium sound system, and generous cargo space make it as practical as it is luxurious. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the Purosangue packs a naturally aspirated 6.5-liter V12 engine, delivering a jaw-dropping 715 horsepower and 528 pounds-feet of torque. This SUV can sprint from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.3 seconds and has a top speed of 193 miles per hour, making it one of the fastest in its class. The advanced all-wheel drive system ensures exceptional handling and grip, while adaptive suspension keeps the ride smooth and responsive. Ferrari hasn't compromised its performance DNA, even in an SUV. Finally, the pricing. The 2025 Ferrari Purosangue starts at around $400,000, making it a true luxury vehicle. With customization options, the price can easily climb higher. It's not just a car, it's a statement. That's it for today's review. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Is the Purosangue the ultimate SUV? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. See you next time.